precisely about our network called CICAT LR, and I will begin by a little bit of history. In 1983, Luc Théo, in south of France, at the Montpellier University Hospital, created the Commission Pressure Pulsar, and then a few years later, the first university diploma, Wounds and Healing, in Montpellier too. Then, a few years later, the birth of the City Hospital Languedoc-Roussillon Network Association, and then the birth of the site lr.cicat.org. The first experimental funding appeared in a lot of years later. The foundation of our association is to support the network for caregivers. Expert nurses are validated, and there is a systematic medical supervision in each visit and each file. The coordination is with respect to the usual care pathways. The first-line caregivers remain always at the center of care, and our foundation is to provide practical and theory formation for caregivers. The objectives are to improve the quality of care of patients with wounds, to coordinate and harmonize multidisciplinary actions, to develop training and support for professionals, to provide better access to information or technical device, to disseminate and implement clinical guidelines, and of course to reduce the cost of care. The cause, who and when, we used to respond to a call for a caregiver team, and always with the agreement of the referring physicians of the patient. The objectives are to help the strategy to support and to secure the comeback home after the hospitalization. As you can see, in the beginning of the association, the calls were essentially from nurses, and then physicians shows more interest to the support of the caregivers for patients suffering from wounds. Our book, you can see a lot of patients were helped by our networks, and we are each year about 4,000 of patients per 100. The representation of the wounds are essentially pressure ulcers and leg ulcers. A few years later, the realization of our project was interested by telemedicine. As you can see, two different networks, CICAT LR in Languedoc-Roussillon and TELAP in Basse-Normandie, another area in the west of France, respond to a national project asked for Asip Santé, the ministry, and then the birth of Doroplay. After the decree about telemedicine in November 2010, the folder was filed by Languedoc-Roussillon and Basse-Normandie, and financing by Asip for 3 years of experimentation. The official start of the project, as you can see, was on October 2012, and the first act 1 year later. The completion will be in 2 years. The objective of the project is to increase the rate of healing of chronic wounds, to organize a coordinated patient pathway, and by decreasing the number of hospitalizations, the number of transports for consultation, and to improve the access to medical care areas deficiency. As you can see, we need numerous actors. for example, Greta to secure the data on the web. Yamanis is our software. Bastid is a provider who brings the device to the home patient, and then we need Orange for the triage communication each time where the Wi-Fi is not disponible. In France, we need lots of papers and administratives. Each actor using telemedicine have to contract with the RRS, which is the Regional Agency of Health. So it's very heavy for each actor. So the C-Catalan network can contract directly by the RRS, and then each actor can just sign a convention with C-Catalan. About the French law, I have to precise that the French law just speak about medical acts and not act done by the nurse. So it was very difficult for us to transpose our classic function. So we have to depose a memorandum of cooperation between caregivers to permit our expert nurse to use telemedicine, and the objective was to increase and recognize nurses' skills in wound healing. As you can see, our area is very large. The requests come from physicians, nurses who are close to the patient. They make a request by telephone call or by mail. This the coordination have the message and make a planification by an appointment. This appointment is to permit to bring the device to the home patient, and then to make a consultation with the expert center. This consultation can be completed by teleassistance to help someone to make a technical act, or teleevaluation just to see how is the wound. This is our wound care software. As you can see, it's very complete and secure. And then to complete this project, we have a medical economic study, which objectives are to demonstrate the added value of telemedicine for home support for patients with complex wounds. To balance another objective is balancing quality of care through management and monitoring of remote wounds while controlling costs, and to assess the quality of care, in particular the health status of patients, the quality of life of patients, and the satisfaction of patients and professionals in front of telemedicine. The expectations are to measure the effectiveness of telemedicine, to show the interest in telemedicine procedures in the management of wounds, and to formalize the result of the project for any area that would implement a similar organization in a telemedicine project. Another expectation to demonstrate the economic benefits of telemedicine, to argue a mode of sustainable economic operations. The perspectives, the Democratic projects participate in the testing of Finland's telemedicine procedures, as described in the bill funding for our health insurance. Thank you for your attention.